Hi, Carolyn Cooley here. I'm going to show you my Evernote page with a few notebooks that I've added. First one that I added is my Purdue notebook, obviously important right now. And if I go into that, I have a few different notes here. The first one is on some badges, some that I'm working on and some that I would like to work on, especially as I progress in this class. The next one has some ideas for my practicum that's coming up quickly and I want to start thinking about that. One of the notes here is for training on a Silhouette, which is a printer, prints out vinyl, uh, things on vinyl. So if I go here, I actually used my Evernote Clipper to insert this YouTube page that has all these different videos for using a Silhouette that could be a good starting point for me if I decide to go that route with my practicum. The next notebook that I have is for teaching. So I have a note about what I want to focus on right now in my classroom at my school, which is class community. And then I used my clipper to get a screenshot of a website and some great ideas to get started for building a class community. One of my big issues is students feeling safe. And so I took some notes and highlighted on that. And the last notebook that I have is for my wedding. I have a few notes here. I have some to-dos of what is upcoming that I need to work on. Flowers is a big thing, so I used my clipper to take some things, some ideas for flowers. This was just a screenshot that I inserted using my clipper. And this is an article that I was able to insert with some ideas for bouquets for my wedding and some other ideas as well. So that is my Evernote.